while for that. That would be when I was in junior high school, and I had to work in my father's store. The payment for that, by the way, was my allowance. And as it turned out, I don't think I was real happy about it at the beginning, because it took me away from, of course, the things I wanted to do as a junior high school person. But my father had a pawn shop on Beale Street in Memphis. For those of you who know Southern history a little bit, it's the home of the blues, and it was a quite an active area back in those times. My father was not born in the U.S., and I'm first generation American, so he was working very, very hard, and had both his children, his two sons, work in this store. I learned a lot because it gave me a very interesting eye view into what different people were like, certainly different than me. And it gave me a lot of knowledge about how to be tolerant, how to look at people in different ways, to realize there's more than one way to think, and actions are a little bit different as well. And as I progressed through my career, I used a lot of that to help with decision making, and help with selection of people in terms of positions. As I was lucky enough to have a leadership position in laparoscopic surgery in the early days, that really was very, very helpful to me in selecting people into positions that involve, of course, surgery. That was my first non-medical job, and I think my allowance was a couple of dollars a week. Turns out I was grossly overpaid for that job.